In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RegSvr32 module virtual load error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, just go ahead to your search menu and then type in CMD. After that, click on Run as Administrator, and when CMD opens up for you, just go ahead, copy the command. After that, close this after the scan is over and then type in CMD again, Run as Administrator. Then just type in SFC // scan now, and scan now must be written in one word. Then hit enter, and then after that, just wait for the scan to take place. After it finishes, just go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.